Today, I'm going to show you how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, a credit note is usually called a credit memo. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Under the Customer section, select Credit Memo. This opens the credit memo form. First, choose the customer receiving the credit. Make sure it is the same customer connected to the invoice you want to reduce. Next, enter the credit memo date. You can also add a reference number or memo if needed. Now add the products or services being credited. Enter the quantity, rate, and amount. If needed, add a short description explaining why the credit is being issued. Check the tax settings if sales tax applies. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Now apply the credit memo to an invoice. Click New or Create again. Then select Receive Payment. Choose the same customer. QuickBooks will show the customer's open invoices and available credits. Select the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Then select the credit memo or enter the credit amount you want to apply. If the customer is also making a payment, enter the payment date, payment method, and deposit account. If you are only applying the credit, make sure the payment amount is correct before saving. Review the invoice, credit memo, amount applied, and remaining balance. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. To confirm the credit was applied, go to Sales, then Customers. Open the customer profile and review their transaction list. You should see the credit memo applied to the invoice, and that's how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online in 2026.